So hi everybody and welcome back to the Blender tutorial series for absolute beginners. I am a beginner and we make low-level poly assets for games, and in this video we are doing a graveyard stone. In the last video we created a graveyard cross and I used it in Unreal Engine 5, and you can see the crosses which we created. Yes, they were useful, and now let's add some graveyard stones to these crosses as well. And then we make here a zombie file or something like that. Alright, let's get to it and create a Blender graveyard stone. So first of all we go in the front view. I think I use this one, and the stone is 2 meters height. We can measure this when I press here tab. I select first the cube. Then I press tab and go to the edit mode, and here on the left side we have this measure. I click on it, and then when I go from top to down, we see this cube is 2 meters in height. Control Z to go back, and this means this cube is so high like one character. That we found out. Alright, with that said, let's go here to select. Let's go here to selecting. Let's grab this cube with G, and then with Z we move it up and align it here on the bottom. And now I need to create a graveyard stone about this one. The first thing what I can do is here just go to press 3 and go to the side view, and now I can make it thinner, right? And how we make this, we go here on the top. First we go press tab, go to the edit mode, so we can change here it as well. And then we need go here to the face mode. I click on it, and now I select one face, and I will grab it and bring it here in. I press 3 to the side view. I press G for grab. And now you can see I can grab it, but I want to grab it on the on the Y axis, so I press Y as well. And now you see I can change here the how big, how thick it is. So let's make it here. Let's say 2 squares of this one, and let's do the same thing from the other side. I select here. I press 3 on my keyboard. Oops, 3, not this one. 3. On my keyboard, I press G again for grabbing, and again Y, so I can move it here, and again 2 little squares there from the right side. Oh, that was not right. Let's grab again and press again Y, and almost it's a little good. It's okay. All right, this is okay. Now we have made the sides. I think that's okay. Let's press 1 to the front view, and what I'm doing now is actually I want grab here the side. Oh, let's change first of all the yes, this side here else. Well, not too much, just little. I select here. I press 1 for the front view. I press G for grab again, and this time X, because I want move it here, but this time not too much, because let's say here 2 squares from the right side and elsewhere 2 squares from this side. Of course you could use mirror as well when you know how to use it, but right now I have forgotten. That's okay, I will watch it later. So, and now I press X and I put it here. Of course I could watch fast on Google and so, but right now let's go on with this one. All right, with that said, this looks almost like a stone, but not a gravestone. I want here the sides a little bit down, and how we can make this, we can switch here to the edge mode. And now I can select this edge here. I go here in front again. I press again grab. And the problem is, I don't know if I want this one here actually. This one looks not the right thing. Right, I thought I can grab this in and then make it, but this looks not right. So, how we can make this? What I want to do is, I want now here that it goes a little bit cutting up or go round anyhow. So is there a way to make this? Probably. The problem is I don't know. And let's see, we have here something like this one, a bevel. Let's select this bevel and let's see what we do now. Oops, what happens now? This bevel looks good, right? And now how to use this. Alright, it makes indeed that what we need. This bevel is nice. Alright, we found something. Let's press 1. And let's try this mirror. Let's press Ctrl Z. Before we go to bevel, let's go again to our modifier. And let's try if the mirror is working. So I go here to the modifier and click on this tool. Then I click on modifiers. I click on mirror. It's here. And I want it on X. All right. And now when I go in or something like that. All right, this modifier is a little strange. Control Z with this one. How I select this, that this one goes in. I mean, okay, I have to go here, then it goes in. But when I make this with X, not doing that. Why not? I don't know. Let's see why. Doing something else. Again, not that what I need. Oh, let's get rid of this one. Let's do Z. Alright, it's not doing at all. Normally X, but anyhow it's not doing that what I want. Okay, Control Z, Z, Z. So normally I need this X value, but this one is not doing this, right? Doing anything else, but not that what I need. Alright. That means we skip this one and make it one by one because I have no clue why this mirror is not working. Alright, I say this is okay. Let's select, let's select the other way too. It must be not perfect because anyway a gravestone, an old gravestone which is broken. So it must not perfect symmetry here. That's not my goal. But you see, this one is already nice. I think that's okay for our thing. And what we can do here also to make a so to make here anything different is let's take we could make something like this in interface here. That's okay. But we can also do, let's see, there was something knife tool. Yes, let's use the knife tool. And let's make here so some lines so that it indicates it's very old. Let's make this one here. So let's make something like so, 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 and so. Okay, and now how? I don't know what I did now. Okay. Press enter. Okay, I made something, but I don't know what. Anyway, let's connect this one here with this one and press enter. And let's press here enter. The reason is what I'm doing here right now is I want to make a strange stone, gravestone. Should look strange. But this knife tool is actually only, I thought it's doing something strange, but actually it's not really doing something strange, right? I think I may Control Z and use not the knife tool. I think I use this insert here. But first I have to select this one probably. And then I have to go, and this one is okay. And how I can make this one here? Why is this not working? I don't know. So, okay, let's skip this one too. I don't know. I don't know. Not doing that. Ah, because it's not on face mode. Perhaps that's why. It makes sense doing that. Nope. Why? Now it's doing, I don't know why it did not before, but now it's doing it. Let's do this one. And now to extrude. We extrude it inside, and yes, now it looks more like a portal or something like that. But also, yes, still good for a gravestone because it's a portal to the underworld, something like that. All right, I think I keep this, and yeah, we export it. I think that's quite good because we are training, and it's a low poly, fast made asset, right? So fast it is. We don't need to overpower it. That's nice. That works. The only thing what I need to do probably is here, just to go here to see the final product. Yes, that can work. Perhaps not. And the thing what we could make here is if also color. Let's try this color thing. And how we color this again? We go here to shading, and then we have this one, and here we add a palette. First of all, we have of course create here new. This one is already new, and then I get my, let's see, I need to get this palette which I saved here. I don't know where I have saved it, but I hope I find it. No, I found it not. Of course not. When I search it, then I don't have it. Okay, let's skip this. Creating materials, and so I add just another material in Unreal Engine. Let's export it. So let's go here to export as an FBX file, and let's do the same thing what we did last time. It worked fine, which means I set the selected object. It is just a mesh, and I have selected here on the right side. I can see it, it's selected. That's good. Then I go down. Forward is X, I think, and now we will see if X is indeed forward, because forward is here, should be this this intruded or extruded or what this is called. And yeah, we will see it what forward is later. And then what I did is here, I think I clicked here all, I said here set up, not set forward. Forward is X and set is up. And then I set here face, because I need smoothing face. Armature we have nothing. And bake animations, we have no animations. That's good. Then we go to Unreal Engine projects, to my game where I want tested. Is this in this one I want tested, and here in content, and I made there a Blender file, and let's call this here Graveyard Stone. Graveyard Stone, and I press here export. And now we switch to Unreal, and here is our import. And I think all the settings which I have here was from the last one, so this should work. The only thing is here, don't create materials, because I have not assigned any material anyway. And yeah, I say now import all, and now I can go to my Blender file here. I mean my Blender folder, which is where I'm blind again. When I search it, I'm blind. Yeah, I have not created here actually. I have created here, that's why. Alright, the static mesh is important, and now let's put it here in the scene. I put it, yes, and oh no. I see now. Forward is here X. Okay. Makes sense. This one is forward, and when we go back and watch this one here, this one is forward, and I watch here the back side, right? Because this one is the forward vector. which means I watch here also the back side, and it's absolute fine. That means it's absolute right. Good, good, good. So that worked. Let's place here some stones here also in. So we have now stones in my a little bit, of course I should make this level design a little bit better, but this is just for test purposes. That means I place here and there some stones. Yeah, should be enough now. And when I started, now I have some stones, and now I have some crosses. Yes, get better. And of course I need an enemy too. Let's see where I can start my enemy. Anywhere there should be, I don't know. Ah, here. And now when I come here, the enemy is coming there too. Aha, I hide behind the stone. Oh, he can walk through. I have no collision. All right, that is working. So that was a simple graveyard stone, simple cross so far. And then we have the scene with this fog here. Perfect for simple training. It's perfect. And I stop here. I hope it's all fine. And if you have any questions or any complaints like old time, write it in the comments. See you in the next. Bye and good luck.